What is going on, everyone? So yeah, I know I've dropped a couple of videos today and you guys are probably sick of seeing my face, so I'm going to try to make this one as quick as possible. Anyhow, we are going to get right into the topic, but before we do, please make sure to go ahead and smash that thumbs up button so the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so, because I drop content just like this every single day, multiple times per day. So very quickly, I just want to tell you guys why I still have faith in this play. And I still have faith in this play because I can see that shorts are still in trouble. I mean, hell, they still haven't covered. Short interest is still rising. And yeah, they're going to eventually need our shares, and the fundamentals of this company are improving. So as far as I'm concerned, the shorts aren't really winning here. Okay, the stock price, the share price is down. Everybody's bummed about it, but in all reality, we're not losing unless we hit that sell button and give away our shares at well, at a discount. Because I don't want to be selling at $13, $12, $14. I want to sell at some insane price where I can become filthy rich off of the shares that I'm holding. Now, this number is going to be different for each and every one of us. We're not going to get into that. This isn't a video about that. But what I want to do is point out just a few more things, okay? First of all, the short interest is rising. So people keep shorting this company. These scumbag hedge funds, these short sellers, well, they're thinking that they can keep getting away with this. So they're going to keep doing what they do, which is a recipe for disaster for them, okay? Especially when the fundamentals are improving. But number two, you're seeing more and more FUD. We see it in the comments section. And when I say FUD, I don't mean FUD by people, by ex-holders. I mean people that are coming in, and obviously they're being paid off by hedge funds, Ken Griffin himself, to basically spread FUD in the comments section and scare people and talk you out of your position. I mean, why in the hell else would we be seeing people coming and watching AMC videos just to say, well, you got screwed, you should have sold. Why are you still watching if you don't have a position? Which tells me that they're being paid. They're paid shills. Another thing, we're seeing those articles coming out again where now we're seeing, hey, drop AMC, Cinemark is that next big, the next big freaking MOASS play. I mean, come on, Cinemark, not AMC, the biggest theater chain in the world. So think about that. That's what I'm going to leave you with today, guys, because like I said, I wanted this video to just be very brief. I've already put out a couple other ones today, and I don't want you looking at my ugly mug. I want to give you a break from me, but kick that around a bit. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, how you guys feel, and I will see you in the next video.
Oh, Lord.